All right, guys, let's talk about vehicles. So we have this Ford F-250 Super Duty Lorette King Ranch. We have my brand new Cadillac XT4. It's not brand new, but I think it was a 2009 or something like that. Oh, shoot. I'm not prepared. Anyway, so this is what the inside looks like. Y'all have all seen it. Let's come around to the back. This is my old car. What I replaced it with. So this is my 2013 Terrain. You have all seen the inside of it. And this is what I'm selling. I was thinking about keeping it, but and then we have over here our old camouflage GMC Sierra. I think it's a 2008. It's pretty old, but we still have it. Anyways, we got the Caddy, and now we're gonna sell the GMC Terrain. But I guess we're keeping 3 cars. Isn't that crazy? 3 cars. Right now we have 4. Insurance is way too much. So, but like between these two, honest opinion, guys, between these two, there's not a whole lot of difference. This one's $40,000 more than that one. I was driving it the other day and I was like, you know, in all reality, I mean, I feel different. I'm a different person in this car than I am in that car. But I was like, there's really not $40,000 worth of differences between these 2 cars in my eyes. So, it's my 2 cents, guys. Thanks for being here. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, look, I've been painting. You know, we're selling our house. I've been painting. Oh, goodness. I'm like out of breath. But yeah, we've been painting the garage door. But anyways, thanks for being here. Bye, guys.